Which of the following is used for manufacturing chips? Control bus, control unit, parity unit, semiconductor. Correct option is option D, semiconductor. Semiconductors are the primary materials used in the manufacturing of chips, integrated circuits of microchips. They have properties that allow them to act as both conductors and insulators, making them ideal for controlling electrical signals in chips. Control was used for communication within the computer system. Control unit, part of CPU that manage instruction, but it's not the material. Parity unit use error detection and not related to manufacturing. So manufacturing chips is the semiconductors. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now. Bye bye.